Hey guys, links in the description. If you do like the video, do like, comment, subscribe, share the video as you see fit. You're probably aware of this situation. This isn't going to add any further information if you are aware of this. This is just a quick heads up. Should you not have had the opportunity to read through an article or watch another video on this subject, I'm going to cherry pick a little bit. I'm going to give you the key aspects to the subject at this stage. Obviously, there will be further developments as things move forward. Jury finds Ghislaine Maxwell guilty of sex trafficking a minor for Jeffrey Epstein and 4 other charges. So Ghislaine Maxwell has gone through a trial and she has been found guilty. She faces up to 65 years in jail, but let's have a look at part of the article. A jury in a New York federal court has found Ghislaine Maxwell guilty on 5 of 6 counts related to her role in Jeffrey Epstein's sexual abuse of minor girls between 1994 and 2004. Maxwell, 60 years of age, was found guilty of 5 federal charges, which include sex trafficking of a minor, transporting a minor with the intent to engage in criminal sexual activity, as well as 3 related counts of conspiracy. She was acquitted on 1 charge, and that was of enticing a minor to travel to engage in illegal sex acts. Maxwell, who now faces up to 65 years in prison, showed no reaction when the verdicts were read. The judge has not yet set a sentencing date. So she hasn't been sentenced yet. She's facing up to 65 years in prison. Will she get 65 years in prison? Will she be given an easier time of things? Will she be put up in a very nice prison room? Will she be suicided? I guess these are things we shall learn in the course of time. The road to justice has been far too long, but today justice has been done, U.S. Attorney Damian Williams said. Okay, so we'll read this part of the article. Prosecutors argued Maxwell and Jeffrey Epstein conspired to set up a scheme to lure young girls into sexual relationships with Epstein from 1994 to 2004 in New York, Florida, New Mexico, and the United States Virgin Islands. 4 women testified during the trial that Epstein abused them and that Maxwell facilitated the abuse and sometimes participated in it as well. Her defense, meanwhile, said she was a scapegoat for Epstein's actions and attacked the memories and motivations of the women who say they were sexually abused. So she's maintained her innocence, or she claims to be innocent, and also the article tells us that they are planning on an appeal. Okay, the article then tells us a few details about what happened at the trial, so we'll have a quick look through part of that. The prosecution's case rested primarily on 4 women with personal stories of Maxwell's role facilitating Epstein's abuse. Jane, testifying under a pseudonym, said that Ghislaine Maxwell, organized sexual massages with Epstein and sometimes joined in the abuse. The charges of enticing, on which Maxwell was acquitted, and transporting relate to testimony solely from her. Another witness, Carolyn, testified that when she was 14 years of age, Maxwell touched her breasts, hips, and buttocks and told her that she had a great body for Epstein and his friends. The child sex trafficking count, the most serious of all the charges, relates to her testimony. A third witness, Kate, testified Maxwell invited her over and directed her how to give Epstein a sexual massage. She said Maxwell spoke often of sexual topics with her and asked Kate to invite other young girls for Epstein's sexual desires. Okay, so that's pretty much all the details there. I think it's good that she's been found guilty. Hopefully the victims, offers them some relief, some sense of justice, and the victims' families, of course. But, where to from here? What will the sentencing be? Will it be anywhere close to 65 years? Will it be probation only? Will she be staying in a very nice prison room? Will she be telling stories? Will she be naming names? What's going to happen with Prince Andrew? Why am I mentioning Prince Andrew? Oh, no reason. So look, I guess those things are to be found out. And so I guess this is one for the books for now.